The end product in the following sequence of reaction is, here acetylene, when it is reacted with 1% mercuric sulfate and 20% for sulfuric acid, it undergoes addition of H2O. Enol form is obtained. That enol form being unstable undergo tautomerization to give keto form. So the keto form is nothing but here acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde, when it is reacted with methyl magnesium halide followed by hydrolysis, it gives isopropyl alcohol. So B is isopropyl alcohol. B on oxidation gives acetone. So answer is acetone. So in the form of equation, observe acetylene undergoes hydration in the presence of acidified mercuric ions, that is a mixture of sulfuric acid and mercuric sulfate. H goes to one carbon, OH goes to other carbon according to Markovnikov's rule. Of course, here no need to apply Markovnikov's rule. We can get enol form, CH2 double bond CH OH. Since this is unstable form, undergoes tautomerization to give relatively stable form, keto form. Tautomerization. During the tautomerization, I am not giving mechanism. How to write the product? Migration of hydrogen from oxygen to beta carbon, and then CC double bond shifting takes place. CH3 single bond C double bond O H. This is nothing but acetaldehyde. So acetaldehyde is keto form, stable one. After the formation of acetaldehyde, methyl magnesium halide. When it is reacted with methyl magnesium halide, methyl is the attacking nucleophile. It undergoes nucleophilic addition reaction. The electron pair is shifted over oxygen, CH3 C O minus, H here CH3. O minus can take MgX plus. So this is salt-like addition product. Adduct, salt, nothing but salt. After the formation of this salt-like addition product, it undergoes hydrolysis. O minus takes H plus of the water. Then we can get isopropyl alcohol. So this is isopropyl alcohol. So now B is isopropyl alcohol. After the formation of isopropyl alcohol, it is subjected to oxidation. Two hydrogens, one from O, other one from CH carbon. Two hydrogens are removed in the form of H2O during the oxidation. CH3 C double bond O CH3. Acetone is the final product. Acetone. So this is here is acetone. Correct answer is acetone, B option.